Maharani Gayatri Devi's story began on the 23rd of May 1919 in London. One of 5 siblings, she was born to Princess Indira Devi of Baroda and Maharaja Jitendra Narayan Bhup Bahadur of Cooch Behar. Known as Aisha by family and close friends, she was courted by Maharaja Sawai Man Singh II for 6 years before finally marrying him.
When I got married here, I did have kind of further. I didn't wander all over Raubag because I might meet my father-in-law or somebody like that. So that's why I was a little bit in further, not very much. But I was in love with His Highness, and I mean, I knew that I had him, and we used to go riding every morning, used to go swimming every day. I used to play tennis every day. All the women were in parda and nobody went out.
Since the Rajmata's days as a young princess in Cooch Behar, she had always been a keen sportswoman. She has played mixed doubles at Wimbledon and also reached the semi-finals of the All India Women's Lawn Tennis Championships of India. A proficient golfer and particularly fond of horses, she was an accomplished rider. Naturally, she immensely enjoys polo to this day.
Polo was His Highness's game, so I used to go and watch and cheer him on, and I love watching polo.
In many ways, she is truly the eternally beautiful and charming face of Jaipur, mother to its people, immovable wall to its critics, and true to its spirit. For the students of MGD, past and present, she has always been and will forever remain Rajmata Gayatri Devi of Jaipur, their personal pillar of faith.